What's up, YouTube? 16 Falconer back with another freaking exciting video. Man cooking again. Gonna do some my absolute favorite thing to make, man. Salmon and rice. Freaking, it's some of the easiest crap you can make, and it's excellent. I use minute rice because supposedly it's just rice. That's it. Got some Norwegian Atlantic salmon from Aldi. If you buy this one, it's half off. It's a really good deal. This piece here will give me, this will be like two meals out of that. A little adobo, put on top of the salmon. Cayenne pepper, jalapeno, and some hot yellow pepper. Oh yeah, can't forget the cheese. This is really, really good cheese there. And it's all gonna go in this bowl here. So let me get things set up, start doing a little cooking. All it is cooking the fish and throwing the rice in the microwave. So, all right, I'll be back. All right, so I got the grill heated up to cook salmon on. We're up to 400. I'm just rocking the center burner. That's the way I like to do salmon. Throw some butter on there. Butter. Now that's supposed to be real butter, but it's from a regional supermarket, so you don't know if it's real or not. See all this shit about fake butter and fake, yeah, everything freaking fake. So now I'm gonna take my salmon, and this is skin-on salmon. Eating salmon is an evolution. When I first started eating salmon, I could not stand it. I mean, just the smell of it would drive me nuts. So, you know, like everybody else, I cooked it with a mound of freaking brown sugar on there and this and that. And then as you eat it more and more, you take less and less of that. Now I like it just with nothing on it. I do like the adobo sauce, but and the skin on salmon was even worse. It was like, oh, that's so freaking gross. But now you get that skin crisped up. Man, I freaking love it. So we're gonna cover this up here. Let's see, find my crap here out in Manlandia. Gonna cover that up. Let it rock for a while. And now when I'm doing tuna, tuna I like just seared. So I'll turn all the burners on, get it as hot as possible, and just sear about an 1/8 inch on the size on tuna steaks. But salmon I like to cook. So, all right, well, I'll be back. All right. Well, I let the skin down, let that cook for a bit. Got it on the flesh side. I'm gonna flip back over. I'm gonna get this butter on there. I like that skin nice and crispy. So that's it, man. You know, you can do this in the house, out on the grill. My nice cover here. All right, well, we'll see you in there when the rest of the meal comes together, man. All right, so I got half a cup of rice, half a cup of water, and thar. Put a plate on the top. 2.5 minutes. Now we'll get over here to the good part. Plate that the old man there had his salmon, but he don't want to eat. He's old man. He's not long for this world. So I'm gonna cut my jalapeno. Use about half of it. That should be good. Rottweiler. Oh, look at the salmon. Oh man, it is so, the skin is so freaking crispy on it. Might notice a couple pieces gone. I had to have a couple pieces while I was standing outside there. Now my yellow pepper, yellow hot pepper. Well, I mean, you can use whatever you want, but Hot pepper's supposed to be really good for your circulation, and I love it. So the best is supposed to be the cayenne pepper, according to the homegrown. What's his name? Homegrown herbalist. Yeah, cayenne pepper. It's good for both low blood pressure and high blood pressure. I mean, I've read a lot of things about cayenne pepper, how it really helps to get your arteries functioning properly. It revives the elasticity or something. I use cayenne pepper on everything. Although the chicken I cooked last time, I didn't put any cayenne pepper on there, but so I can't say on everything. All right, so we got that. Some cheese. This isn't the same block I showed earlier. This is one I already had opened. Yeah, it's funny trying to find real food. It is it is so freaking, it's crazy how much counterfeit shit's out there now. Alright, I'll do like 4 of these. Now this is the way I do it, and I love it, man. I could eat this every day. All right, blammo. Get the rice out. Nice thing too with these dishes, you just rinse them off and don't have to wash them. I like that. That likes me some non-washing stuff. Okay, blam. Put our good hot stuff in there. Stick it back in there for a minute. Get this stuff bagged back up. Probably don't need to see me doing this, but I don't feel like shutting the camera off. Whatever. Yeah, I don't put the salmon in there. I kind of let it cool down a little bit. Then I put it in the very end. So I'll cut this. Man, it's a lot. This could probably actually be three meals. Yeah, I'll tell you, dude, when I first started eating, it got skin on. It was like, man. I mean, I had gotten used to eating salmon. And then when I went to the skin on variety, it was like, oh, this is freaking gross, man. And you just got to figure out how, cook it how you like, So... And now this is how I like it. Nothing on it. Nothing I use has any sort of freaking shit. Paper towels. Damn it. I'll just use my snot rag. It is man cooking, so who gives a crap? Alright. Alright, I'll hose that off and sink. Here we go. Well, first thing I throw my cayenne in there, and I'm very, very liberal with it. Not liberal politically, liberal with the. Get that in there. Get my salmon in there. Find me a fork. Just grab a random fork out of the dish strainer. Freaking old lady, she's slagging again. And there we go, man. There's your dinner, as Terrell says. Yeah, if you guys haven't watched the homegrown, what the hell did I say his name was? Herbalist or whatever? I really like that, guys. But I've read a lot about cayenne pepper, about how super good it is for you. So that's why I put it on everything. All right, this has got to cool down for about 5 minutes before I can set my lips on it, and I'll be back. Oh, the old man decided to come in and eat. Yeah, well, I don't know if he's gonna make it through this year, but he's been a good old boy, Rico. He's a American Bulldog, so he's been a really good dog. But whatever. All right, I'll see you when I start eating. All right, well, it's been a couple minutes. Hopefully it's cooled down enough because I'm freaking starving, man. Oh man, this looks so good. Let's try this. Let's go. I usually don't do this on camera. Well, I haven't in a while. All right, let's see. It's really good. Got a little bite to it. But that's what you want, man. Oofa. Feel the heat. Feel the heat. I don't see any jalapeno in this bite. Getting a lot of yellow. Oh, there is a jalapeno in there. Freaking super simple freaking meal to eat. It's got everything good for you in there. Freaking jalapenos, got a lot of vitamin K in there. The yellow hot peppers also, they got other things too. Freaking cayenne pepper. Yeah. Man, salmon. And then just some non-adulterated rice. One more time. Man, this stuff's so good. Oh. So there you go. It's simple as that, man. You could make 2 to 3 meals out of that one piece of fish, which was $9.14 at regular price. And you know, Aldi, they always do 50% off. You got to get in there and grab all this crap up. I mean, shit. Instant rice is cheap. As long as it's real rice, which I'm assuming it is. Jalapenos, you know, all that stuff, that's not expensive at all. And it's a freaking damn good meal. All right, well, that's it. See ya.